back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma Uche, and today I'll be showing you guys how to remove your makeup, that is all of this on my face, without a makeup removal. Yes, just in case your makeup removal suddenly finishes, you can't go to bed with this. You wake up with heavy boils, pimples, rashes, all of them. Or if you have my type of skin, you will have serious skin irritation. We do not want any of that. That will kill your freshness. So should you find yourself in a situation where you need to remove your makeup, this would come in handy. Vaseline or petroleum jelly, whichever one you know it as, would come in handy in removing your makeup. Yes. And if you're skeptical about how good it or how well it can remove your makeup, in the making of this video, the makeup on my face right now, I had a little issue with the lipstick, so I had to use Vaseline to remove it. I see it didn't leave any mark or sign, like it was clean initially before this. So yes, this little magical box here can do a lot of wonders. That reminds me, the tutorial of this makeup is on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link somewhere along the line, maybe up right now. I'll leave the link. So yes, check it out. If this is your first time being here, please don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. And also, if you find this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also turn on your bell notification, so if I upload a video, you will get it firsthand. Okay, let's get right. So first of all, I'm going to pull out my lashes. This is the part I seriously don't like. Yep. If you're like me, I don't like keeping lashes on for so long. Just put a little gum. Yeah, and just like that, my lashes is gone. Okay, that felt weird. Let's get to the cleaning. I prefer using face wipe because tissue paper feels a little bit dry, but you can use tissue paper. See? That's my skin right there. So let's entire makeup is off my face, from the eyebrows, the eyeshadow, eyeliner, skin work, lipstick. You can see they are all gone to, yeah, they're all gone actually. So this is the point where you use water and whatever face scrub you use to rinse your face, because you can't leave it all oily like this. Not that oily though, but still. Rinse your face. I'll be right back. Let me go rinse my face. So I've washed my face and the makeup is gone like it never happened. And I was able to go from this to this with Vaseline. Vaseline is an easy find in almost every household. It's very affordable. So please do give this a trial and tell me how it went for you in the comment section. Okay? And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, and also turn on your bell notification. I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.